Thanks for tuning in for this how-to from Ambrosia. That's me from Equity Recipe. Today we're going to be talking about how to do a remote inspection, guys. Remote inspection, right? You don't think they exist? They do exist. We do them for you. And all that means is if you can't make it that day because you're out of state, you are a couple of cities or like 10 cities away, or you couldn't get off work, we actually do a remote one for you through Facebook Messenger or through your favorite app, whatever it is, Marco Polo, even FaceTime. All this means for you is that you have so many options, you guys. So thank you so much for listening to today's How To with Ambrosia.
Good morning, guys. Actually, it's probably just after noon now. I am actually doing today an inspection. So my inspector, he's amazing. Dream Home Inspections, gotta plug him. Kent is amazing. He is already at the property because an inspector will come out. Each one's different, but this particular one, this company, will come out, inspect everything, and then the client and the agent can come out, review the major highlights or anything that needs to be updated or anything that might need repair, or just good things to point out, like maybe a shut-off valve or how you replace the filter in the actual furnace if it's a Forster furnace, etc. But today is going to be fun because we're actually using the Facebook video feature to pretty much bring in the client, because my buyers are actually not currently living in the cities. So they still interactively get to see everything that the inspector's doing, and they get all the highlights. And of course, within 24 hours, they also get a super detailed report with all the pictures and everything. But they can still interactively be at the inspection, even though they're remote. So once again, another way that Equity Recipe can help you when you can't be here, because we will be. So I'll do a few behind the scenes so you guys can check it out. Here's the house that's being currently inspected. Come check it out.
Thanks for tuning in with me, Ambrosia, with Equity Recipe to learn more about inspections and about remote ones. Check us out if you ever need one. Thanks.